It's Embarkation Day, which means it's the very first day of our cruise. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's KeairaJay Travels. Come along with me on day one of our 7-day Western Caribbean cruise aboard the Carnival Magic.
Let's go. Why are you recording people? I almost fell. I know. Oh my god, so much more biscuit. Brooklyn, are you excited? We are walking to the ship. Oh yeah, that is a celebration. I was right. I want to go on that one next. I know.
It's Embarkation Day. Are you excited? First cruise, Carnival Magic. Brooklyn, not you.
When you're about to permission,
Oh, watch your step.
That's a noise elevator. This is noise.
Look, you like it already. You just walked in the door. I like this a lot.
It's the look. It's all about the lobby. The first.
Okay, so we are looking for the room. I feel super sweaty because we've been outside. Do you remember the number? Shh. No. Okay, so we just came from the odd side. I didn't realize that the odds and evens are separated.
well, I'll see the suitcase. So.
They're already here? Okay, so we're walking everywhere for our muster right now. So to get to the Northern Lights dining room, we have to come up to 4, come around, and then go back down to 3. So we need to go ahead and complete our muster before the sail away. So that's what we're doing now.
To the left. Take it back now, y'all. Slide to the left. Slide to the right. Crisscross. Having fun? Look, mommy, I'm gonna stand up, okay? I'm gonna stand up regularly. I might be.
Okay.
You ready?
Y'all got this. Let's go.
2, 1. Here you go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Don't look at it like that.
Huh? How old are you? Huwag ka na-direct ito. Face the band. Thank you very much. Sweetheart. Good luck. This is an animal. You will try to guess. You will have only 10 seconds. Are you ready? Only she gonna guess. When you give the correct answer, I will stop the counting. Okay? Ready? You can guess. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. What is it? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
Keep guessing, Brooklyn.
4, 3. Say again. Zebra.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Wow, Carnival Magic. Welcome to your vacation! To the Tootsie Roll. I want everyone to put their
And that is going to wrap up Embarkation Day. I honestly did not expect the day to be so overwhelming and chaotic. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record a lot just because it really was overwhelming. And being that it was my very first cruise, it was a bit of a learning curve, but I was able to record a lot more as the week progressed. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of my Carnival Magic series. Also, please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Bye.